Hey there, fellow history and architecture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story that's not just about bricks and mortar, but about the power of storytelling and community. Get ready to be inspired by the incredible journey of Tim Holding and Felicity Selkirk, who are breathing new life into a French heritage treasure, the Chateau de Pernon. Imagine a 105-room chateau, a relic from the eve of the French Revolution, with a roof that was crumbling like an ancient biscuit. This is where our story begins. Tim and Felicity, with their savings and a bold vision, embarked on a mission to restore this majestic castle. But the costs were daunting, and that's when they turned to an unexpected ally: social media. The power of their story, shared on platforms like YouTube and Patreon, rallied a global community of supporters. People from all walks of life, including a 56-year-old man who admitted to crying tears of joy, were captivated by the restoration. Each like and subscription became a vote of confidence and a source of financial support. It's a testament to the human connection that can be forged through shared passions. Now, let's talk about the impact. The restoration has not only saved a piece of history, but has also elevated French craftsmen to celebrity status. The old slate tiles, once part of the roof, are now drink coasters, a unique reminder of the chateau's past. And the influence of French design and fashion from the 18th century is being explored in talks and exhibitions, showcasing how heritage can inspire and educate. But it's not just about the past. The couple's journey raises a deeper question. Can heritage be saved through storytelling and sharing? It's a powerful idea, and one that's gaining traction. As architecture nerd Tim Ross puts it, we don't save rainforests by showing chainsaws. We save them by celebrating their beauty and importance. So, what does this mean for the future of heritage conservation? It suggests a new approach, one that engages and inspires through storytelling. By sharing their journey, Tim and Felicity have not only saved a chateau, but have also built a community invested in its future. In my opinion, this story is a reminder that heritage is not just about preserving the past, but also about the power it has to bring people together and inspire future generations. It's a beautiful example of how the digital world can connect us to our shared history and, in turn, shape our future. I hope this story has left you feeling inspired, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the role of social media in heritage conservation. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.